Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ashley and today I am going to be teaching you guys how to make your own YouTube channel. So I decided to make this video because my best friend Gabby wants to start her own channel. So I was thinking that a lot of you guys probably also are wondering how to create a good channel. So I'm going to be teaching you the basics of how to make a channel and how to start getting subscribers. Okay, so first of all, you need either a phone or what I recommend is a computer. So over here, I have a MacBook Air. It can be like any computer. It could be a Lenovo, it could be Miss Croft, it could be a Mac. So basically, you need a device. The reason why I recommend computers is that they're bigger and it makes it much easier to read the screen and to follow my directions. But if you only have a phone, that would also be perfect. Okay, so obviously, the first thing you need to do is create your channel. But also, I'm going to be telling you some of the materials you will be needing for once you start your channel. So the first thing you need when you are starting your channel is something to film with. So I recommend just using a phone when you're started. Any type of phone that you're able to video on would work. So you could use an iPhone or a Samsung, it all works. If you already have a filming camera, that would be great, but just to make it less expensive, I would start off with an iPhone. So to edit my videos, I usually use iMovie, but there are a bunch of different types of websites and other apps that you can use. So my favorite, I have tried a lot of them, is iMovie. It's just the easiest to manage and it's all free. Also, to make thumbnails and channel art and other things, I use Canva. I use the free version. They also have a version where you can pay, but I like the free one, and obviously I don't need to spend any money. So let's get started making our channel. But first, be sure you are subscribed to my channel and ring the bell, that way you get notified every single time I post a new video. Also, like this video and comment down below ideas for the next video. First thing you need to do is open your web browser. I recommend Google, but Safari also works. So right here, I have my Google tab open. So now I'm going to be searching youtube.com. So once you search that, you see the YouTube website, and then basically, if you don't have an account, you are going to see this sign in button in the top corner. So you are just going to be clicking on that. Okay, so right there is the sign in button, and you're going to click on that. So if you already have other channels, you will see them listed, but you are going to press use another account. So now it is going to ask you to sign in, but since you probably don't already have an account, you're going to go down here to create account and click on that. And then it's going to ask for myself or to manage my business. Just click for myself. So now it is going to ask you for your first and last name, your email address, your password, and to confirm. So for my friend, we do not already have a Gmail address, so we are going to click on create a Gmail address. So when you click right there, it's going to ask you to fill it in as your username. Where it says first and last name, you are just going to put your channel name. So for my friend Gabby, her channel name is going to be called Perfectly Organized. So I am going to type that in. So now it has it typed in as the first name Perfectly and the last name Organized. Now it is going to ask for a username, so you can type in anything you want. And then it will also ask for you to make a password and to confirm that. Now it is going to be asking for your phone number, recovery email, birthday, and gender. You do not need to put in your phone number or recovery email address. Now it is going to give you the privacy and terms. You're going to want to read that all. And then you can click I agree. So now your channel has been created depending on what computer you have it may bring you up to right here, or it may not. Just going to ask for a description, channel link, and any other links. But you do not need to fill out any of that if you don't want. I recommend making a description, that way people can find you, so I'm gonna make one now. Okay, so in a description, you wanna include what kind of videos you will be uploading in the future and any other facts you would like them to know about you. Okay, so now it is going to take you to this page where it says your channel name, your subscriber count. It has home, videos, playlists, channels, and depending on your channel, it might have discussion or it might not, and it will have your about. So you also see these two icons that say Customize Channel and YouTube Studio. First, I will show you what YouTube Studio is. So when you click on that, it takes you to this page. And basically, once you start uploading videos, it will show all of your stats right over here. It will show your subscribers here, your channel subscriber count here, and it also has a bunch of other different things. On this side, it has a bunch of other things you can click on to see more about your channel and how it is doing. So when you click on Customize Channel, it brings you here, shows your description, it asks if you want any of these things, and then you can also add featured channels, add discussions, channels, playlists, videos. It basically just shows you everything about your channel. The first thing that I am going to do is making her a profile picture. You can either make this a picture of yourself or just a picture that you can create. I am also going to be creating some channel art. In a new tab, I am going to be typing in canva.com. That is canva.com. And then just click search. Okay, so now I'm at this website. It may ask you to sign in first. Make sure you do not do the payment one. Make sure you just do the free design. So I'm going to be searching in the search bar, YouTube channel art. And then it has all of these different ideas for what you can make your channel art. I am going to surprise my friend Gabby with one. So I am going to find the perfect background for her. Okay, so I really like this background design, but I don't really love the text design, but you can always edit that. So just click there, and then it opens it up, and then you can take away that just by clicking backspace or delete on your keyboard, and then you can click, change the font, the size, the color, and basically make it anything you want. If you don't like the background image or you don't like a color, you can also change that up there. But if you don't like the image, on this side it has all of these different options. Then you can go to photos, and then all you have to do is search. So let's say I wanted a dachshund. And I could find a picture of a dachshund. So if it has that, it says pro, and that costs money, but like this one is free. So then all you have to do is click, and it makes it a dachshund. And then you could always delete that background and widen that to fit the whole thing. But since Gabby's channel doesn't need that, you can just undo. So now I'm going to finish that, and then I will show you guys what it looks like. Now you're gonna download it up here. So I'm gonna go up here now. I'm back in YouTube, and I'm gonna click add channel art. Then I'm going to upload it. So now I'm gonna show you guys what her channel art looks like. It took me a long time, but there it is. So I have this succulent in a plant, and then I have this really pretty background, and then it says perfectly organized. The next thing you should do is add some channels. So the next thing we are doing is adding channels. So it says feature channels. You're going to click add channels, and then this is going to come up. So now you're going to get a URL from another channel, paste it there, and click add, and then click done. Also, if you would like to change the name to, instead of featured like awesome channels, you can also just do it. Sorry, did it wrong. Eek. You can also just write awesome channels. So now right there is my channel, Life with Ash. Gabby had me add this because I am helping her make her channel. Now the next thing you should do, which is also one of the final things technically, is to upload content, and then you can also do thumbnails also through the Canva desktop website. You don't need to download anything if you do it through a computer. Through your phone, you can do it through Safari technically, but I recommend using the app because it makes it so much easier. So if you guys would ever want a part 2 to this, let me know in the comments down below. Also, be sure to like this video and comment down below ideas for the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!